Is this is your first or second interview, mock interview?
So this is my second mock interview.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me you're from which state? What is your degree?
Sir, I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, and sir, I have done my graduation in economics from University of Allahabad in 2019, and then I pursued my masters in political science from Professor Rajendra Singh University, which is formerly known as Allahabad State University, in 2022. And since then, I have been preparing for bank examinations.
Good. I think I have already asked you the questions relating to jump over from economics to political science and reasons for therefore, and some questions relating to political science. But some more questions regarding that will be who are the famous writers in political science in India? What do you know about the political ideologies of India, neighboring states, China, USA? Some such odd questions can be asked. And who is your favorite role model in political science? This type of questions can be asked to you. Please be prepared for that. I am not going into those areas now here. So let me
Okay,
concentrate on federal bank area and banking and current affairs.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Ritika Srivastava, can you please tell me the positive role played by banking industry in India and how it is helping the people?
Sir, the bank is the finely regulated sector in India. As the country progresses from agrarian economy to a service sector economy, banks play a major role. It helps to develop saving habits among the people. For companies, it provides an investment avenues, and they get credit com- uh, to pursue their functions. And banks also provide loans at cheaper rate to MSME sectors and and farmers, so that so that they can progress in agricultural sector and also promote small scale industries.
Now, can you please tell me what is the definition of MSME?
So, sir, MSME stands for micro, medium, and small enterprises. So, based on their investment, they are divided into these categories.
What is the investment pattern for micro, small, and medium? You are aware of that or you don't know?
Sir, I can't recall it right now.
It's okay, fine. Can you tell me something about self-help group?
Yes, sir. So self-help group are are organized grouping of people. They help to address certain issues within the community. So they play very important role relating to people's awareness. They can work in any field, be it for healthcare awareness or educational awareness. So in country like India, self-help group plays a very major role.
Now, can you tell me any idea about from where this concept was borrowed? From which country, which neighboring country this concept was borrowed?
So the concept of self-help group.
Yeah, it was borrowed from Bangladesh. And there is one person who has been given Nobel Prize for that. I'm not getting his name. What is his name? Can anyone tell me what is the name of the person who has been
Sir,
given?
is Mohammed Yunus?
Ah, super. Mohammed Yunus. Mohammed Yunus was the person who was given this award. Very good. What is your, who told this?
Sir, this is Hari Krishnan.
Hari Krishnan. Very good. Congrats. Congrats. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, now, Ritika.
Yes.
Ritika, are there any famous people in the name of Ritika in North India and South India?
Uh, Sir, I don't know about them. So there are not really very famous people with the name of Ritika. There are few actresses, but they are not very famous.
Can you tell me how banks are generating profits?
So, sir, banks are generating profits by giving out the loans. with the interest that they earn. This is the major source of earning for the banks. They also earn profit by investing in government bonds or government invest or certain kind of investment, and they also earn a little bit of profit through FDs. So these are the
What what
major
what
sources.
what FDs?
So
FDs?
fixed deposits.
Fixed deposit, you are only incurring expenditure. You have to pay interest on fixed deposit. Banks earn income through interest on loans. Banks get para-banking income through, say, insurance policies, canvassed mutual fund products, then wealth management services. Banks also earn interest by investing funds in government securities and shares and bonds.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
yes,
good,
sir.
very good. Now, next question for you: how to control inflation?
Okay, so there are various measures taken by RBI. So some of the quantitative measures that are taken by RBI are cash reserve ratio and repo rate and reverse repo rate. So in qualitative measures, the RBI conducts open market operation in which it sells government bonds, and there is also a measure of moral suasion where RBI advises bank to control inflation or control the credits.
No, but why did you not mention about the repo rate, liquidity adjustment facility? That is the most important tool. The increasing of the repo rate will raise the rate lent by banks to customers, which in turn will result in lesser borrowing from the banking system. That will result in reduction of the money in circulation and hence the inflation. Did you not study about this?
No, sir, I have studied about it.
You have forgotten. Doesn't matter. Can you please tell us about your family details?
Yes, sir. So my father works in an accounts department of Indian Railways, and my mother is a homemaker, and my brother is pursuing BSc from Delhi University.
Good. Who is the railway minister now?
So Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav.
Very good. What is the budgeting system nowadays? Do we have a railway budget separately and union budget separately, or it is included in the union budget?
So earlier it was separate, but after 2019, guess it was mixed in union budget only.
Super. Good. Good point. You are from Uttar Pradesh, a state bubbling with energy, enthusiasm, people, everything. People are good. People are good. But same time, you have bad people also. So that is a mixture of society. Now, can you name important cities in Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, sir. So there are many cities for various reasons that they are important for. For example, Noida is important for industrial and manufacturing hub. And Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Prayagraj and Banaras are famous for its historical and they are considered as a holy places. And Kanpur also is a manufacturing hub, so in Uttar Pradesh.
Mhm. Good. Kanpur is for what is that? Leather.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Kanpur is
Yes, sir.
known for its leather. Good. Which is another South Indian city famous for leather?
So I don't know about it. So I will look up about
Tamil
it.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is known for leather exports.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu is
Yes.
known for leather exports. Most important places in Tamil Nadu are Ambur, Vaniyambadi, and other places. Of course, because you came to Kanpur, this question had to be asked. Now, can you tell me about four current affair news which you have read recently in the last 1 week?
Yes, sir. So today I read that Aditya L1 mission has been successfully done by ISRO, and so Parliament will have their special session in September, and so ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 mission has been successfully done, and Asian Athletics Championship is being carried out in. I'm forgetting the name of the city, but it is carrying out right now.
Mhm,
Yes, a four current affair news.
mhm. Recently, the place Kakrapar, Gujarat, is in news. For what purpose? Kakrapar, Kakrapar, Gujarat. It has come in 1st September news. Why?
Uh, so I can't recall the
India,
reason for which.
India's largest home-built nuclear plant start operations. 700 megawatt nuclear power plant located in Kakrapar, Gujarat, has commenced its operations to maximum capacity. Please read this. I think I have given it in the current affairs snippets also.
Okay, sir.
Any other news you can think of? सेकंड सितंबर में क्या न्यूज दिया है?
So today, second sir, that Aditya L1 mission has been successfully conducted by ISRO.
That is
That
today's
mission, yes, sir.
news. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Apart from that, there is a news about Balasore accident also. What is Balasore accident?
So the Balasore accident happened in Odisha, where the two trains got accidentally they got collided. They collided with each other due to technical malfunction.
Two or three.
So, so two passenger trains were there, and one good train was there. So three
Good.
types.
Excellent. The news about that is CBI files charge sheet against 3 arrested railway officials. I don't know what it is. Please read about that also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then there is one more news. Army chief visits forward areas along line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri. That is the news of today. Then supposing I say jailer, what will come to your mind?
So jailer.
Hmm.
So, so jailer is a person who takes care of the prison
In
part. Come.
in the present day context, if you go and ask any teenager, what is it they will tell?
I think it is a new movie of Mr. Rajnikant that
So
is released.
super good. I am happy. Please tell me last question. Why should I select you? This will make me decide how many marks I am giving you.
Yes, sir. So I have ability to work efficiently, and I can work as a part of team leader. So I'm empathetic towards others people problem, and this is the main. This is the quality that my mother has ingrained in me since I was a child. And so when a task is provided to me, I complete it attentively and with discipline. So I can work under pressure with confidence and I pay attention to details.
Okay, good. I will give you 9 out of 10 and leave it to God to decide to select you. God bless you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. सब तो भगवान का हाथ में, हम लोग का हाथ में क्या है? जो क्वेश्चन वो पूछ रहे हैं उसको आंसर जानने से तो बता दीजिए, नहीं होने से तो बोलिए आई डोंट नो. नथिंग रॉन्ग. Even now, if you ask 100 questions in banking, there may be some 20 questions in banking. I don't know. That doesn't mean I'm not good. So it is what is needed is your confidence to know, what you don't know. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.